Welcome to the Beginner's Guide, How to Use Bitcoins. In this video, we'll go over what Bitcoins are and how you can use them to buy goods and services online. Before we dive into how to use Bitcoins, let's first define what it is. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates on a decentralized peer-to-peer network. It allows for fast and secure online transactions without the need for a middleman like a bank or a credit card company. To use Bitcoins, you'll need a Bitcoin wallet. You can choose from a variety of wallets available online, including desktop, mobile, and hardware wallets. Once you've chosen a wallet, you can create an account and start receiving and sending Bitcoins. Now that you have a Bitcoin wallet, you'll need to buy Bitcoins. You can purchase Bitcoins from cryptocurrency exchanges or from individuals who are selling them. Keep in mind that the price of Bitcoins can fluctuate, so it's important to do your research before making a purchase. With your wallet funded with Bitcoins, you can use them to buy goods and services online. Some merchants accept Bitcoins as payment, while others might require a Bitcoin payment processor. Be sure to check the merchant's payment options before making a purchase. Congratulations! You now know how to use Bitcoins. Remember to keep your wallet and private keys secure, and always do your research before making any transactions. Thanks for watching.